Global Business Power Corporation, or GBP, is one of the leading power producers in the Visayas region and Mindoro Island. We are a member of the GT Capital Group of companies with GT Capital Holdings, Oryx Corporation, Meralco Power Gen, and First Metro Investment Corporation as shareholders of GBP. We own 9 power generation facilities that run mostly with clean coal and diesel technology, one of which boasts as the first ever commercial clean coal power plant in the country. Our subsidiaries Panay Energy Development Corporation, Cebu Energy Development Corporation, Toledo Power Company, Panay Power Corporation, and GBH Power Resources Incorporated are driven by a strong commitment to provide adequate, reliable, and cost-efficient power supply in the entire region. We are a company whose thrust is to go beyond merely generating electricity. Our mantra of enlightening lives, empowering progress is a strong testament of our commitment to ignite and propel both national and regional development. Corporate social responsibility is in the heart of our operations. We are committed in being a reliable and trusted partner of the environment. At present, we have planted over 300,000 mangroves and various species of seedlings. We have adopted 23 health centers and have given aid to 14,400 beneficiaries to ensure health and wellness in the communities we serve, and have facilitated grants to more than 630 scholars to secure a better future to the communities we are a part of. As part of our CSR commitment, we also give immediate response to those affected by natural disasters. We have been recognized by both the national government and international organizations, awarded citations by the Department of Environment and Natural Resources, Department of Labor and Employment, Pollution Control Association of the Philippines, among others. Most importantly, we are ISO certified. Our Integrated Management System certification covers quality, environment, safety, and health management. This is an affirmation that we are geared towards excellence with environmental sustainability and safety as an integral part of our business process. As you are about to enter our Panay facility, we enjoin you to observe our safety rules and policies. Our site is committed to provide efficient, reliable, and quality power with utmost care to the environment, health, and safety of our people. We remain steadfast in our belief that all safety, health, and environment accidents can and will be prevented. We expect the entire organization, including our contractors, visitors, and business partners to do the same. Just like any other industrial facility, there are certain potential hazards that you may be exposed to while touring or working in our power plants. While our team of technical experts and safety professionals have incorporated various engineering and administrative controls to mitigate these hazards, all are advised to take extra caution and follow our safety rules and guidelines pointed out in the succeeding parts of this video. All will be subjected to security check prior to entry. Visitors are instructed to fill up the entry log sheet at the main gate. Wear appropriate clothing. Corporate or business attire may be allowed in our admin offices, while personal protective apparels are required before entering our work areas. Our security personnel will not allow entry if a person is found to be under the influence or in possession of drugs or alcohol. Deadly weapons are not allowed inside this facility. Bringing in chemicals or any hazardous materials will not be allowed entry unless authorized by ESH department. Vehicles will be subjected for security inspection. Wear your badge at all times. Follow all posted safety signs and labels. Walk only in the designated paths or lanes. All visitors are not allowed to go around the facility without an authorized escort. Working alone is not allowed in this facility. Follow proper waste segregation and disposal. Avoid excessive use of resources such as water, electricity, fuel, and even common office supplies. Life-saving rules, or LSRs, are safety rules relevant to GPP's operation that require mandatory implementation. LSRs provide a clear and simple guideline in communicating significant hazards in the workplace and the proper use of barriers and safeguards to protect each individual. Violation to any of these life-saving rules will warrant an investigation. Do not smoke in non-designated areas. Do not exceed the speed limit or use phone or gadgets while driving. Use personal protective equipment or PPE where required. All are advised to check our PPE zoning maps posted in strategic locations. Position yourself away from moving and energized equipment. Work with a valid work permit. Protect yourself against a fall when working at heights. Prevent dropped objects. Do not work under a suspended load. Obtain authorization before entering a confined space. Obtain authorization before overriding or disabling safety-critical equipment. Ensure sources of energies are isolated before work. All are expected to respond to the emergency alarms of the facility. The general fire alarm will sound when activated. If you hear the alarm, you should stop whatever you are doing and proceed to the nearest exit. Walk briskly and do not run. Do not use the elevator. Proceed directly to the assembly area. Your emergency response team, or ERT, will initiate a head count. Ensure you get yourself accounted for. If you notice somebody left or missing, notify the ERT immediately. Stay in the assembly area unless instructed otherwise by the ERT. Do not go back inside the building until an all-clear command is announced. If you witnessed or encountered an emergency, raise the alarm immediately and notify the emergency response team by dialing the following numbers.
Thank you for attending this orientation. We hope that you keep safety as an integral part of your work process. Let us all aim for zero accident.